Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing my tablescape for fall. I'm just going to show you how I used a couple of things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree for under $20. Some plates, some chargers, some glasses, and some napkins, and a couple of little pumpkin decorations along with what I already have to make my tablescape this year. So I'm just going to show you my table runner, and then I'm just going to place everything and we will see how it comes out. So if you want to see how my fall tablescape comes out, then just keep on watching. Alright, so what I picked up from the dollar store is I picked up these really nice, they're heavy, these plates, and they're orange plates. So I wanted to do the orange and the sort of white theme that I have been going, but I'm pretty much sticking with the white, sort of off-white and the orange. And so these plates, these are fabulous for $1. They're like so heavy and really nice. And then I went with these pretty chargers from the dollar store, and they're kind of, they're a gold color, and they have, you know, this texture here on the around the edges. So I thought that would look really, really pretty with the orange plate. So I'm going to use that. And then I purchased these little pumpkins, the white pumpkins. They had a bunch of these in all different colors, and they just have a little flower on top with a little bit of a berry. I picked up all the same ones. I picked up 4 of these for my place settings. And then I picked up some napkins. So I just got a basic sort of mustard yellow, just plain. And then I got this little sunflower one that's a little bit smaller, and I thought that I could just put it on top and you would get the contrast. So that will go, you know, on the plate with the contrast, and the pumpkin will kind of be at the top of the place setting. And the other thing I picked up were these cute little glasses, and they say gather, and they have the pumpkin and the white pumpkin, and you really can't go wrong for $1 each. Now, I wouldn't put these in the dishwasher because I can tell that they're sort of just painted on there, or just maybe it's some kind of a vinyl that goes on there. But anyway, you can hand wash these and they'll be fine. Now, the other thing I have for my tablescape is I have this big, huge pumpkin, and I have had this pumpkin for quite a while. I used this normally in my living room at the hearth, but I'm going to use this on my table this year, and I will bring you in to see this table runner. It's so pretty. It's like a sunflower, and I did pick that up at TJ Maxx at the beginning of the season. And the other thing I picked up from, did I get these? I think I got these at the dollar store. I can't remember, but these really cute picks. I did pick these up this year, and it's got the off-white with the little white pumpkin, and I just put them like underneath the edges of the pumpkin so that they'll come out on the sides and just sort of look like a nice little, you know, accent to the pumpkin. So I really, really like those. And then today I was at my little organic farm stand, and I did do a video while I was at the farm stand, which I will link that at the end of this video. But it was so cute and so nice to be able to get some things that are homegrown and organic right in my own neighborhood. But I picked up some of these cute little fresh pumpkin gourds, and I'm just going to put them on the table. I haven't decided how. I'm going to kind of do it as I go along. But I just thought that these were just so cute, and the fact that they are real brings that sort of natural feel to the tablescape. So what I'm going to do, oh, and then I have this. So I have this little pedestal and this beautiful eucalyptus, faux eucalyptus wreath, and my Luminara candle. So this faux eucalyptus wreath, I got this on my trip to Ohio recently with the 2 orchids. We went to White House Fruit Farm and I got this, and I've had this little pedestal table. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see the pineapple on there. I picked this up. I probably picked this up at TJ's and fell in love with the pineapple because I just really love pineapple. So I put the little wreath. You could hang this in a window or on a wall, but I put it on my little pedestal with my Luminara candle, so that I just think that that just looks so nice and so cozy and so pretty. So I'm just going to kind of set it down here. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to set up this table, but I'll bring you, I'll focus on the table. You can see how I kind of arrange things, and we'll see how it all comes out. And one more thing that I wanted to show you is this beautiful candle that's sort of in a dough bowl. And this candle was gifted to us by the 2 orchids when we arrived at Karen's house on the first day of the trip. They did this beautiful gift bag, and I will do a video that shows you what we got from that trip, all the things that we were gifted. I've already showed you the tea towel that we got from Spruce Home Decor. And so this is a beautiful, this is the scent on this candle is flannel, and this is a 3-wick candle. I can smell it already, and I haven't even taken the plastic off. So I do want to put this somewhere on the table so that I can light it, and it gives it that sort of rustic look. So I have to take the plastic off, but I'm going to do that.
In the wildest dream, I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. By you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my...
Okay, so I think that it came out absolutely beautiful. I took away the pedestal because I think it made it just a little too high on the table. And so with my little eucalyptus wreath, it's all sort of all on one level. And I have my natural pumpkins, I have my candles, and I have my place settings. So I'll take you down and show you everything. I'll show you the tablescape, and I hope that it will give you a little inspiration for your fall tablescape. I can just leave this like this now until all through the fall, and whenever I have company, I can just sort of tweak it to whatever I need for that particular meal. But I can leave it this way for the whole season, and my tablescape, I can see it whenever I walk by, and it's so beautiful. And I can get a scent of the fall from the fall candle, and yet it still has a natural vibe. So I hope that you will enjoy this when I show it to you. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So that is going to do it for this video. Stick around to see what the tablescape looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just doing things that create my best life and hopefully helping you DIY your best life. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye for now.
I know your body's been waiting to. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your Now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever